Hi friends, in this video I will show in PS5 how to automatically turn on HDR only when supported. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Then go down. Under settings select screen and video. Go to video output. Under video output go down. Here we can find HDR. See, right now you can see HDR is always on. Select HDR. Here we can see three options: off, always on. The third option, on when supported. Select on when supported. So when we select this option, PS5 will turn on HDR only when supported. So this way we can enable this option. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.